Welcome back to Ford Ferrari for the last day of the build, the respray if you like. Car's just sitting lovely over there. She's got a bit dusty because she's been in overnight, but yeah, so excited. Today's the last day we're doing our little bits. Bumpers over here, and we've also got like a little surprise that we've done as well. So at the end of the video you should be seeing that. But yeah, so happy. So day number four, and not too much to do actually, and this lot's all fun because you've got to start seeing the whole build and the whole rebuild of it all and everything. So fantastic, keep watching, and I'll keep you posted during the day how we're getting on. Guys, so we're back. We're about 20 minutes from finishing the whole thing, but yeah, I told you earlier we had a bit of a surprise in store. So what we did, do you know what? Let me show you. I'll just flip the camera around and I'll show you what we've done. Yeah, so here we go. Right, Phil, show us what we've done. Oh yes, oh yes, it's now a proper race car. Now, show them party mode, Phil. Oh, loving it. Yeah, look at that, party time. Yeah, so that was the bit of surprise we had in store. So we've done like an underbody wiring kit. Anyone interested in how I did that, just message me down the bottom, and I might actually do a video of installing a set of these. So yeah, quite happy. So we're about 20 minutes away. Car's looking awesome. Right, so that is a wrap now for the completion of the car. It's all back together, cleaned and everything. You can see just in the background, I mean, look at that. It is something else. And yeah, it's been what, 3.5 grueling days. We're tired, ready to go home, but it was worth it. This is what all this channel is all about, is, you know, guys who appreciate cars, just coming down, working on them and changing them. And I mean, I can't stop looking at it. Just look at that, it just looks amazing in the background there. And yeah, so again, Phil, go on, give us a turn on with the lights. Go on, just for the final video. Look at that, yeah, it just looks insane. I mean, guys, we're going to be at Santa Pod for Fast Show, so again, come down, check out the car yourselves. Like, we've put in the work on this car, so we're happy that every little bit, all the door shuts are all coloured, all the doors. I mean, we've gone to town with this. And a massive thanks goes to John for letting us use Palace panels for doing this job, because, you know, without the ovens, without the air and the grinders, you know, this job wouldn't have happened. So massive thanks. And yeah, this is the beginning of this car featuring on this channel. So we've got loads of content coming. Yeah, track days out, car meets, the whole thing. So keep watching. Thanks for watching this. Hopefully you made it to this point and you got to see the finished product even. And yeah, thanks for watching. So that's bye from me.
Bye from me.
Yep. See you later.